And today
we're going to be unboxing this Stealth 3-gallon wet/dry vacuum.
And did he say we're unboxing something?
Yes, we're gonna go unboxing the vacuum.
It's a vacuum. It's a different kind from the one that you've been using.
See me.
It is.
Yeah. So this one seems like it has some,
its own tank.
A tank. That's why it's good because it says here it's wet and dry vacuum.
So you can use it for wet.
Yes.
Like pretend.
Let's say there's a flag
on the carpet.
Yes.
On the carpet or on the table. Then you're gonna go use that so
we're
it can get away.
We're gonna use a vacuum. We're gonna suck it up and throw it outside.
We have one like this at work. Same thing.
I can even
drink.
So guys, let's unbox.
Like, can you make me drink
And it says here limited 3-year warranty.
But how are we gonna try it? We need water.
Strong handle for easy carrying. Large on-off switch for safe and quick access. And powerful motor provides maximum power for suction.
Okay,
And also outside, right now it's raining Unos, right?
It's raining.
It's raining Unos. Come out of the sky.
Okay, we have scissors. Let me see.
Push. Boopy. Pushy boopy.
Excuse me. Cut.
$1 million, $100 million that cost, right? It's 100. There's 100 million rain. 6.
Over here.
600. 200.
Okay. Finally have it open.
Alright.
Whoa!
Speaking of vacuum.
Yes,
It's heavy.
Oh, you know what, Kuya? We used to have one like this, but it's bigger. But this one, I like the size of this one.
And it also.
That's my swing.
Yay! It comes with this hose.
So a really long hose. Let's see. You think there's something inside?
I think the
wheels. There's something inside.
Hello, Daddy. I can't see you. Daddy, I can't see you over there.
Instructions.
This is supposed to be.
Oh, what's this?
Hi, Daddy.
It's I think this is for our
Is it
replacement part. So if you call their number for the warranty, you will put the parts that need to be replaced. They're the wheels too. You need some assembly. Okay. We already know it. There. Here.
And I think we also need this.
I like his boxes.
Okay, so this is what's supposed to be on top.
Guys, I can't see you.
Yes.
Say hi, Daddy.
And
Even
then,
hi.
oh, you put this in. And then you lock this to this.
Yes. Go.
Wait.
Fixed. And I'm gonna go put the wheels on.
Sorry. Daddy. Really, it's just my mouth.
Trying to put it on without breaking it.
Wait, it's backwards.
So this is a vacuum. And try the other legs. So guys, this is the vacuum, and as you can see, we put the wheels on already. And this is the inside.
It's like a pail.
It's a pail, basically. And we have
The lock
locks.
on both
And we also
sides.
have the vacuum part.
And this is where the motor is.
That's the motor part.
Yeah, so we have this filter. It's a reusable filter.
Yes, and if we're using it for water, like stuff like that, we have to take it off.
As a wet vacuum, we
We
have to take it off.
Is this how it works?
And also, we have this to use for replacement parts. Oh, no. This is for the, I'm sorry. This is for the dry vacuum. If you use a dry vacuum, you want to use this. Or maybe you could just use this.
I can't see you.
And also, we
Lemonade.
put the wheels. See? So we'll just...
Yes. Oh, rotate it.
And
Yes.
also, if you accidentally
It's
drop
very good.
lemonade, you can clean it up.
Then it also comes with this attachments with the hose
3 hose attachments.
for.
Or this is for
Like
like the one on our regular vacuum. And as you can see, it's a long reach. If you can't see, I just touched the ceiling.
yeah. I think you could also use it to clean the car.
Yeah.
Assemble it with some. What's
And
that?
there's something
I'm
wobbling.
trying to see.
I think that's the motor.
Oh.
Oh no, I really want to see through this. Can anybody help me see through this? Can't even see through.
Daddy accidentally made it fall off earlier.
There.
Daddy accidentally made it fall off earlier, so.
Alright. And then you tap.
So there's 2 things that you can do with this. The first thing that you can do is over here.
Vacuum.
This is a vacuum. This is a vacuum, but it can also blow out right here.
So this
And I
thing
guess
can also.
that's also where you can use this too.
Oh, no.
No?
It is? Maybe sure. We will check the
Pull
instruction
down.
for
Okay.
that.
I'll put it there. And we also have the hose right here. The hose part.
Try this hose, Sarah.
Sarah's putting it
This
on.
one, this one, this one.
Sarah's putting on the attachments.
Oh, wait.
Sarah's putting on.
So if we hook the hose right here in front,
Okay, it's good.
alright, and then maybe we could,
I like video.
yeah.
And say boo.
Alright,
So we can have a whole bunch of
be careful with
stuff
this
like this.
I'm missing the fun.
one.
Wait, hold on. Can I do something?
And this.
Wait.
Uh,
I'm sorry.
oh, we have a wire.
Okay, nothing
Thank you.
happens. Nothing happens if you.
Right here and oh, here, plug.
No, it failed. It failed.
Wait.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Right now it's off.
We can't make
Alright.
this one.
3, 2. So
Can it play? How about we make freeze
hold
for
on the
Maddie?
instructions.
Alright.
We try it on the
Go.
instructions. Okay.
Wow!
It's working. Oh, try it. Let's try it.
Don't do my hair!
No, it's working.
I'll turn it on.
So that's the vacuum part.
Not that
So if we try
Giant
to put it on the back,
Are you gonna use water?
connect it. So we will going to show you how it works for as a blower. Okay.
Blower.
Blower. Turn it on.
Blower.
Can you put blow
Turn
on
it
my
on,
face?
It's really It's really working as a blower. I think we could use it maybe on fall season where the leaves are all over our porch. We could use this.
Okay, so I was like, and I was like, and until Kuya hears Lexi. Open it! Kuya, open it. Please. Please. Go. Please.
So guys, I think this is a really good product because we just tried it out. And we're mainly going to be using this for for wet stuff. Because we already have a vacuum for the dry stuff upstairs. And it's also going to be a good standby because we're never going to know when we need a new vacuum.
And I think we can use it to clean the car.
Yes, in the car.
Yes.
And the blower, I think we could use that for the leaves and stuff.
The size is perfect.
Yes, not too big, not too small, like a medium
And
size.
it's very light.
Yeah.
Even Sarah could lift
Very
it.
light.
No, it's not. It's very light.
Okay, let me try again.
No.
And also, this is a giant switch.
Oh, yeah, that's one of the features.
So, and we got this from Walmart.
About $35, so it's a good deal.
Yeah, it's a good deal.
So, guys, this is a Stealth 3-gallon wet/dry vacuum. And if you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!
And also, let me try again. And 3, and 2, and 1, go! And also, can we blow again? On my face?